It's a great school. You know you're getting the best education you can get.
It's like a really fun and helpful community.
It has so many wonderful aspects about it.
I think what sets Valley Catholic apart is this community. The students that we have here are phenomenal. They're phenomenal students and people. I find that any sort of real-world experience that you can give them, if they can answer the question, why am I learning this? It can just feed that fire and they can get excited about anything.
My favorite teacher would probably be, well, I like all the teachers here.
The people, the staff, they always want to be around you and help you with whatever they can.
Our whole curriculum is honors-based, and so if a student knows what they want to do, they can start getting involved in activities and learning at the middle school level that will help them in high school and in college and in their career.
I want to be a doctor when I grow up because it's like helping other people.
I kind of want to follow in Elon Musk's footsteps. He's a great inspiration for me.